I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading.
Welcome to Wrench with Spark. You are going to be following me on my journey of rebuilding this 944 that I picked up. It's a 1984 Porsche 944. A little rough around the edges, but it's nothing that I can't fix myself. And I'm learning a lot on the way, and my whole journey is to show and teach you all what troubles and pains I'm going through with it. So yesterday I brought this starter to Napa to get it tested. They said that the shaft only came in and out. These are all the exhaust bolts. Here are the axle bolts that we're going to be installing. Here's some exhaust hangers. I just wanted to clean them up so when I install them over my head I don't get rained on with a bunch of dirt. So I'm just going to go through and show what I do when I'm cleaning these bolts. Now that I can be kind of hands-free with it, I can bring you along and show you exactly how I do things. Right now I have a tap for the size of nut that I'm cleaning up. These have, noticed they kind of have a weird oblongness to it. It's kind of it's like a self-locking nut instead of having a lock washer or a nylon nut, just kind of a metal way to do a lock nut. I've seen it on a bunch of different applications. This is for the exhaust. But first, I want to get some gloves on. I do not like having all this greasiness all over me. So, it's kind of a boring part of it. I go in here, take a nut, a towel. The threads actually look pretty okay. I don't even know if I need to clean them up, but I like to clean them up. There's gunk inside the threads. Got a 13 mil wrench here. And I just kind of rinse and repeat. Got all stuffed in there. Inside here is that collar right there actually is what connects the transaxle to the torque tube or to the drive shaft that goes from the engine to the transaxle. Now we have to line the splines up, put a little grease in there just to see that it loosens things up. I was able to get the coupler on both shafts. Now we're gonna finish up installing that, getting it bolted up, and taking all this. I need to put the Allen bolts back in here and torque them up to 58 foot-pounds. And these bolts here get torqued up to 34 foot-pounds. In the spirit of a German vehicle, we are going to do everything in Newton meters versus foot-pounds. It'd just be fun. I'm no mechanic, but concerned right now. I noticed that the rear end was not a limited slip diff. On an open diff, if you move one wheel, should be going backwards at the same speed. It kind of gives me pause, makes me think there's something up with the transmission, and I'm kind of at a loss right now. So I also realized that I don't have the shifter and everything connected yet, so I'm gonna connect all that together. Maybe that has something to do with it. I'm really hoping that the transaxle isn't broken. If it needs a new diff, kind of cool. I've been wanting a limited slip for this. I got the starter all bolted in. Now I need to get the wires for the starter installed. Two of the big thick wires. These wires go together on that post, and then the little guy goes on that post. got everything done. The exhaust is in, the clutch is in, everything's in. Everything's all bolted up down here. So it's a little update for the day.